Hello and welcome to Designer How. Today we'll be discussing the use of Adobe Firefly in Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the style of an image with very little effort. Let's get into it. On the screen, we have our image and we want to alter the style using Generative Fill. The problem with simply selecting it and typing a prompt is that it results in things like this. Don't worry, there is a way to actually make it not suck. Go to Channels. If you don't see Channels, go to Window and select it from there. In Channels, hit the Create New Channel button. Open Foreground Color and set the B for brightness to about 30. Now under Edit, select Fill. Make sure it's set to Foreground Color and hit OK. Hold the Control button and select the Alpha channel. Just ignore the pop-up and click on the RGB channel. Click the Generative Fill button and it allows us to enter our prompt. I went with Impressionist painting, but feel free to mess around with any style you can come up with. The sky is the limit. While it may not be Impressionist per se, I like how it's turned our image into a painting. The program also gives us 3 variations from which to choose. We can put another prompt in the bar, or in this field right here to get a look at more styles. Let's go with pencil strokes. As you see, Firefly delivers. I'll show you a few other prompts I did, but I'm sure y'all can come up with a few cool ones as well. If you want, feel free to share them in the comments below. Psychedelic painting, watercolor painting, brush strokes, tested on another picture for variation, pencil strokes, sketch drawing, oil painting. And that was about it, guys. In the next video, I'll be showing you a technique to integrate these AI images into your videos and take them to the next level. Make sure to like and subscribe for more vids like this, and as always, catch you all on the next one.